Hi, today I'm front of me MOTOROLA Razr 2022 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch Gmail app. And if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. To do that, we should click on the right upper corner and click to manage accounts on this device. Then select your account and after that click remove account and confirm your action by click here to remove account again. After that, we should use our pattern, pin code, or one from your just protect methods on your device. I'll use the pattern. We can see that in Google account settings we just log out from Gmail account, and let's go back to Gmail app and we can see that we just here also log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.